Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. First of all, let me introduce our group members. My name is Nadia Hamna and the other group member is Aina Farisha, Putri Natasha, Isha Elia and Nur Amira Shafika. We will be presenting about the innovation product that we chose, which is Smart Recycling Bin with Reward System. Now, I will start with introduction. Plastic waste management in Malaysia remains a major challenge due to low recycling rates, poor waste isolation, and limited public participation. In many campuses and communities, conventional recycling bins fail to motivate users, causing recycling to be viewed as inconvenient and unimportant. Therefore, we want to introduce the Smart Recycling Bin with Reward System, which integrates technology and gamification to encourage recycling behavior and support Malaysia's sustainability goals. There are four problem statements that we identified. First, low recycling participation. Even people are aware of recycling, participation is still low. Many people do not feel motivated to recycle regularly. Secondly, ineffective traditional recycling system. Conventional recycling bins do not provide rewards or feedback. As a result, users cannot see the impact of their recycling efforts. Thirdly, poor waste isolation. Recyclable items are often mixed with general waste. This pollution reduces recycling efficiency and increases landfill waste. And lastly, limited engagement in campus and communities. Students and communities are not actively involved in recycling programs. The lack of interactive system causes low behavioral change.
The main objective of this project is to increase recycling participation among students and the community by making recycling more engaging and rewarding. Secondly, this project aims to promote environmental awareness through gamification, such as point collection and leaderboards, which encourage users to recycle consistently. Next, we aim to provide a simple and low-cost recycling system by using a QR-based method instead of complex technology, making it easier to implement at the college level. In addition, this project supports Malaysia's sustainability goals, especially in reducing waste sent to landfills. Lastly, the system helps to build a recycling culture within college, encouraging shared responsibility and long-term sustainable behavior. Based on previous studies, recycling participation in Malaysia remains relatively low due to lack of awareness and motivation. Research also shows that incentive-based systems significantly increase positive environmental behavior, especially among students. Furthermore, digital platforms such as mobile applications are effective in promoting sustainability because they allow users to track their contributions and receive instant feedback. Studies also highlight that low technology solutions are more feasible for educational institutions as they are affordable, easy to maintain, and scalable. These findings strongly support the implementation of smart recycling bin with a QR-based reward system.
For this slide, I will talk about our proposed innovation, which is the Smart Recycle Bin system. The Smart Bin is created to help people recycle in a better and easier way. It uses technology and a reward system to encourage correct waste separation. First, the bin has a sensory system. It uses sensors to detect items when they are thrown inside. This sensor helps the bin identify different materials such as plastic, paper, glass, and metal. Next, there is a QR code scanner on top of the bin. Before throwing the item, user can scan their QR code using a mobile app. This step connects the recycle activity to the user's account. Lastly, the bin is connected to a mobile application. Through the apps, user can see their recycle history, collect point, redeem reward, and receive notification from that. This slide explains how the Smart Bin detect and manage recyclable items step by step. First, users scan the QR code on the Smart Bin using their mobile phone. This allows the system to identify the user and connect to their account. Next, the user insert the recyclable item into the bin. In step 3, sensor inside the Smart identify the type of material such as plastic, metal, or paper. After that, the auto-sorting mechanism separates the item into the correct recycling compartment. Once the item is successfully sorted, points are automatically added to their user account as a reward for recycling. Finally, users can check their accumulated points through the mobile application. This point can encourage more people to recycle and support sustainable behavior. For this slide, I will explain the point reward system. This system gives points to users every time they recycle an item. Different material give different points. For example, plastic give 5 points, paper give 3 points, glass give 8 points, and metal give 10 points. Metal and glasses give more points because they are harder to recycle. User can collect these points and exchange them for reward. The reward include e-wallet credit, public transport, and supermarket voucher. This reward system motivates people to recycle more often. Overall, it helps protect the environment while giving benefit to users.
Hi, my name is Isha. So next I will explain the impact of our Smart Recycle bin with reward system. First, for the environmental impact, the system helps reduce waste by making sure recyclable items like plastic, paper and cans are separated correctly. When recycling is done properly, less waste goes to landfill. This helps reduce pollution and protect the environment, especially from plastic waste. Next, in terms of social impact, the reward system encourages students and the community to recycle more often. When users receive point or reward, they feel more motivated to take part in recycling activities. This helps build good recycling habit and create a cleaner and more responsible community. Lastly, for the educational impact, this system helps people learn more about recycling and sustainability. The interactive feature make learning simple and fun. Users can easily understand what item can be recycled and why recycling is important in daily life. So, in the conclusion, the Smart Recycle Bin with reward system create positive environmental, social and educational impact while encouraging sustainable behavior.
Assalamualaikum and a very good day to everyone. Today, I will be presenting the feasibility of our proposed smart bin system, focusing on cost estimation, resources required, scalability, and the project timeline. First of all, in terms of cost estimation, the initial investment mainly involves the development of smart bins and the supporting mobile application. So in Malaysia, each smart bin is estimated to cost between 2,500 ringgit and 4,000 ringgit, depending on the sensor quality, material use, and connectivity features. It's estimated to range from 125,000 to 400,000 ringgit. In addition, the development of the mobile application and backend system is estimated to cost between 80,000 ringgit and 150,000 ringgit, which includes system design, database integration, and cybersecurity features. Annual operational and maintenance costs, such as software updates, cloud service, and technical support, are estimated at around 40,000 ringgit to 70,000 ringgit per year, with an additional 30,000 ringgit to 60,000 ringgit annually allocated for reward system partnerships. Next, in terms of resources required, this project depends on the several key components. From a technology perspective, it requires smart sensors, cloud-based data system, and a mobile application platform. In terms of human resources, skilled software developers, system engineers, operational staff, and customer support teams are essential as well. Furthermore, partnerships with local authorities, waste management companies, and retail partners play a crucial role in ensuring smooth operations and long-term sustainability. Moving on to the scalability, this system is designed to support future expansion across different locations in Malaysia. The modular design of the smart bins allows new units to be added without major changes to the existing system. As user participation grows, The digital platform can scale efficiently through cloud infrastructure. With a clear long-term vision, this project has strong potential for nationwide implementation. Finally, in terms of the project timeline, Phase 1 is focusing on research, planning, and system design, which is expected to take 2 to 3 months. And next one is Phase 2 involves pilot implementation, starting with 50 bins and expanding to 100 bins, and it's estimated to take 3 to 6 months. Next, we go to the Phase 3. It focuses on system optimization and performance improvement based on user feedback, taking approximately last 2-3 months. And the last one is Phase 4, involves full-scale deployment and system expansion, which is expected to take 6 to 12 months. In conclusion, this smart recycling system is feasible because the technology needed, such as IoT, AI, and mobile applications, is already available and workable. The system is impactful as it can help improve recycling rates and reduce waste, while the reward system makes it effective and encouraging people to recycle more consistently. Overall, this system is scalable and can grow from a small pilot project into a large implementation, and it makes it a practical and sustainable solution for waste management in Malaysia. To begin with, it is recommended to start with a pilot program by placing smart bins in high traffic areas such as malls, campuses, or public places. This allows us to test the system effectiveness, identify potential issues, and gather real user data before full implementation. Next, the reward system should be optimized by working closely with local businesses to provide attractive and sustainable rewards. This collaboration can help increase user motivation while ensuring the reward system remains cost effective in the long run. In addition, the system should be designed with scalability in mind so that it can be easily expanded in the future. So, this ensures that as demand and user participation increase, the system can grow without major changes or disruptions. Last but not least, its continuous monitoring and evaluation are very important to ensure the system performs well. By tracking bin usage, recycling patterns, and user feedback can improve to be made, and for enhancing the system efficiency and user experience over time. So that's all from our group. Thank you for watching.